Fork over the cash, unraveling slang in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might come across in movies, books, or even in everyday conversations. Fork over the cash. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in context. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this slang. Fork over the cash is a colloquial expression that means to pay or give money, often reluctantly or under pressure. The word fork in this context is used metaphorically, suggesting the act of giving something over, as if using a fork to move something from one place to another. The phrase usually carries a connotation of coercion or demand, rather than a voluntary transaction. To fully grasp the meaning, let's break it down. Fork over. This part of the phrase is slang for handing something over to someone else. It implies that the action might not be entirely willing. The cash simply refers to money. It can be used to talk about any amount, whether it's a small sum or a large payment. You might wonder, when would I actually use this phrase? It's commonly found in scenarios where money is owed or demanded. In a humorous or informal context, you might use it jokingly among friends, especially if someone owes you money for a shared expense, like saying, "Hey, fork over the cash for the pizza last night." In narratives or stories, it's often used in movies or books to depict a situation where a character is being pressured into paying money, perhaps in a criminal or confrontational setting. It's important to note that because fork over the cash has a casual and somewhat forceful tone, it's not appropriate for formal contexts. To help solidify your understanding, here are a few examples. In formal setting, I finally got him to fork over the cash he owed me from our road trip. Narrative context. The thief demanded the store owner fork over the cash or face the consequences. And there you have it. You now know what fork over the cash means, how to use it, and in what context it's appropriate. It's a fun and expressive way to talk about paying money, especially in informal situations. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of English slang and idioms. Don't forget to practice using new phrases in your conversations for better retention. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll uncover more secrets of the English language.